Hi guys, how you doing? Doing good? That's nice. It's a bit late now, but I thought I should be making a video, Sunday video. Although technically now it's Monday, it's past 12 o'clock, but we're gonna call it Bitcoin Sunday service video. So I thought maybe Sundays I should be making Bitcoin videos to recap what's been happening and then maybe to see what's gonna happen. So I think that's gonna be nice. So Sundays from now on is Bitcoin day, and we're gonna see that. So for today, I thought we can see what's happening in the short term. But before that, I'm thinking, because I've just been watching the Into the Cryptoverse guy on YouTube, of course, and his regression bands. So I found something very interesting for predicting the top of Bitcoin for next bull run. So we're gonna do that first before we actually go to the short-term tech analysis. And at the end of the video, there is a like and subscribe part, really important part. So be sure to check that out if you can manage to get that far. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, so this is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna check this chart over here. This is the BLX chart, price of Bitcoin over a long term, and like I said, I've been watching this guy Into the Cryptoverse. He's lengthening cycles and all of that. I can put a link in the comments and below so you can check out his channel. Interesting guy. Anyways, I have in my own ideas about where the price of Bitcoin is gonna go. Now here's what I'm thinking. You see this bottom line here and this nice line that goes on the bottom here and then shows where the next stop is. That's nice. It would be nice if that could happen again, right? So here, this happened the first time. Now we have the second time here, right? Going up. I hope that's not the top. I hope this is not the top. But let's assume it just continues going up, right? So the thing that's happening here, right? The price is following the line and then shoots up. And did that the second time as well. Following the line and then shoots up. And now we are expecting the same thing to happen the third time. To follow the line and shoot up, right? So price is around 200,000, especially if we assume the top is going to come in 2021 in November, December, around Christmas. So that's here's December 2021. So around 200,000 Bitcoin price prediction for 2021. I can put little name tag over here just so you can see it. There you go. That's our price prediction. Pretty quick, right? That's like 20x from 10x, 10,000. So if you bought in early, I mean, you're gonna get rich. Depends on how much you bought with, you know, and all of that shebang. Okay, let's go check out the short-term technical analysis on the Bitcoin and see what's happening here, because a lot of people were really bullish, then really bearish. Now they're bullish again. So what's actually happening? What's actually happening? So this weekly chart still, I think we're gonna have to go to 4-hourly just to see the move that's been happening. See this pump up here that came. This was going up, and I think the RSI was going down, but there was, I just checked the RSI. And on the RSI there was hidden bullish divergence. So the price was going up while the RSI was going down, and this is the hidden bullish divergence. So it basically means continuation pattern. So when it came over here, it continued going up, right? Because we had upward movements and then continuation, we continued going up. So now we hit some kind of resistance here. That's 16,000. Yeah, 16,000. So I think it's only psychological resistance right now. I have idea where the actual resistance can be, but I don't think it's 16,000. I think that just nice round number that it dropped down for. So it dropped down and now it's going up. We can also see that if where are we gonna draw the line? Let's use the we can assume this is some kind of was some kind of resistance. It broke it. Now it's testing the resistance and support. That could be it, right? And now it's pushing upwards. Here it's really important to notice that before you can get bullish, it looks like we are really bullish now, because it went down. It tested this these two tops here, over here, right? It tested the third time, so this was a correct line. It tried to break the resistance over here out of the triangle, couldn't. Now it's breaking it. If it holds it up here, it's gonna be good. But before you can actually be bullish again, I think you gotta get a higher high. So a higher high would be above this line over here. So if the price goes above, what's the line at? If the price goes above 15,749, thereabout, 15,750, I would be bullish. I would be bullish again, because then you have a higher high. You have broken out of the triangle, and you can retest the 16,000 level. So I would be bullish there. But let's just look at the moving averages. This is 4-hourly moving average, and 4-hourly, the 50 is important one. I see it held the 50. That's really good. We're gonna look at the daily, just see how daily is holding, and we are still above the 20 moving average. So there is no reason to be bearish again. I know you got the drop. I know a lot of people sold, and people had big gains from over here and did a higher leverage. They are all selling now, right? But I think there's still more upward movement to come. I'm not quite sure how far. Like, it can go to 7,000, 17,200, something like that, and go back down or whatever. But I don't think this is it. I don't think this is the top. I don't think the 16,000 right over here. Let's just put it down here. This one, line 15,960. I don't think that's the top. I don't know what you think, but I don't think that's the top. I don't think that's the top. So I think there's more room to go up. It looks like we didn't get out of the triangle, but actually we did. Of course, you have to zoom in to see that. We are out triangle. This is the 4-hourly candle. It ends in 30 minutes. So if we can close above it, and on the next 4 hours, don't just get a bearish engulfing Japanese candle back into the triangle. I think you're all good, and we're gonna retest the 16,000 next week. That's for sure. If we can keep out of the triangle here, and I think we're gonna retest the 16,000. Here you can also see how nicely on the 4-hourly it went below the 20, held on the 50 line. The yellow is 50 moving average. It went back above the 20, got all the way down to the 20, and continue up. So you see the moving averages also confirm that we are bullish. So all in all, short term bullish, long term, as you saw, where is it? 211,000 long term, sometime in the end of the next year. So that's that, man. That's that. Now we have a long term, short term. What more can I give you for Bitcoin Sunday service, man? What more can I give you? What more give you? Okay, that's it. Now, like the video. If you like the video and want to see more of this content, subscribe, man. I need 3 more subscribers to have 200 subscribers. So that's a nice round number. I was thinking actually of doing the 200 subscriber special, where I take 200 top coins and do technical analysis on it. But I did some quick math on it and figure out if I just use 1 minute on the per coin, you know, it will be over 3 hours. Not to take into consideration that I have to do finding all the coins on the trading view and stuff like that. It's just gonna take like a whole day of work, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. Maybe when we have like 200 ties, now I'm gonna do 200 coins or something like that. But for 200 subscribers special, I'm not quite sure, but something's gonna happen. Maybe something's gonna happen. Okay guys, thanks for watching again. Have fun and don't lose your money.